welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria if you're new. In today's video, I'm gonna be making a super simple, easy recipe. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. This is the best recipe I've made so far, in my opinion. I hope you guys watch the video, see what the ingredients are, and try them today. Try this recipe today. You won't regret it. Guarantee you have all the ingredients in your kitchen right now. Because it doesn't take a lot of ingredients. It's so easy, and I'm happy to share this recipe with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this recipe, go ahead and watch till the end of the video so you can get the full recipe. And if you don't catch the recipe in the video, go ahead and check down below in the description box, because I always leave my recipes there as well, just in case you don't catch what I'm saying. So it's gonna be down in the description as well. So go ahead and check that out, or stay tuned and check the video out and see the simple, super easy recipe that you can do tonight. You can make it and you'll love it. Go ahead and try it, guys. Okay, so this recipe only requires 4 ingredients. So let's get started right into this video. I've already have everything set out. So I'm just gonna list off the ingredients for you. 4 simple ingredients, that is cream, peanut butter, sweetener, and cocoa powder. So let's get right into this video. The finished product. I didn't leave it in the freezer for long. I left it in for maybe 15 minutes. You can leave it a lot longer, obviously, but that's how it turns out. Look at that. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. Go ahead and try this recipe out. Let me know down in the comments how this recipe turns out for you. And if you haven't already done so and you've made it this far, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye, guys.